Hello again everyone and welcome back to the Weather Centre. Once again, it's going to be quite settled over South Africa. We don't expect too much change from yesterday, although it is going to remain cloudy for much of the day for some areas along the southeastern coastline. There's a possibility for a bit of light rain in that area, and that's mostly due to an onshore flow reaching that area. Over the interior of the country, it's going to be partly cloudy. There will be a few thunder showers on the high veld, while further eastwards it's going to be fairly cloudy into the low veld, where we could see a couple of showers drifting into the region. Over the opposite side of the country, it's going to be mostly sunny and dry, and it is going to be a hotter day for some areas, in particular for the Western Cape. Along with the high temperatures in that area, there's a warning in place for a high fire danger once again for some areas over the Northern and Western Cape, and there could be some runaway fire development within that area this afternoon. Isolated thunder showers extend across a broad region through central South Africa, reaching parts of the Eastern Cape, while towards the coastline of that province, light rain or drizzle is possible. Dry for Durban, a few showers early in the day for the northern coastline of KZN, similar into the low veld, while crossing over onto the high veld areas, scattered thunderstorms possible for parts of Gauteng and Mpumalanga and the southern regions of Limpopo. Let's move ahead to your temperature forecast, and we expect it to be warm to hot all across the northern parts. Pretoria getting to 30 degrees, while Johannesburg will reach a high of 28. Hot weather expected into the Free State as well as parts of KZN and the Eastern Cape. It's going to be a muggy day near the eastern coastline, and here we can see the culprit for that, and that is that easterly flow moving in along the coastline. As that air moves over the warmer Gullis currents, it picks up lots of moisture, and that carries into the interior, resulting in those really sticky conditions that we usually get at this time of the year. Over the southern interior, it's going to be very hot, some areas climbing into the upper 30s, especially over the Karoo. And as we head towards the coastline, we see it's going to be a warm day for this area. Easterly to southeasterly winds for most places, and those winds are going to be picking up for Muizenberg, becoming fresh to strong in the late afternoon and evening. A sweltering day lies ahead for the Northern Cape. Uppington, 41 degrees as your maximum, and along the west coast of the country, most areas are going to be warm but hot as you head southwards for Langebaan and Cape Town. We're going to have gusty conditions developing all across the region, especially in the late afternoon as well. Southwesterly swell once again over this area between 2 and 2.5 meters. A quick look ahead to tomorrow, and thunder showers are expected to continue for parts of the northern and central interior, while the Western Cape remains dry. Cape Town climbs to 33 degrees, and it's going to be another hot and humid day along the east coast. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy the rest of your Thursday.